One of the services that the Canada Revenue Agency offers is the ability to autofill portions of your return. First, you'll need to register for a CRA My account by visiting the CRA website. Be ready with your social insurance number, date of birth, and amounts you reported on your most recent tax return. Once you're registered, the steps to begin autofilling your return in TurboTax couldn't be easier. Go to your tax return home, then select Start or Continue on the tax slip import card. On the Securely Import Your Tax Info from the CRA screen, follow the steps to download your slips and other info. If you use TurboTax Desktop, search for CRA and select CRA Import from the list of results, then follow the steps to download your slips and other info. For more help tips, visit the TurboTax Support website and enter your question into the search bar.